we've created something special. Something that helps you to cook healthy, delicious food. It's made from the most eco-friendly of all materials, and it's pleasing to the eye. And it reminds us of something invaluable: to wind down, take our time, and enjoy the moment.
You always have wow factor. It's some sort of exclusivity, it's some sort of luxury.
It's an unfortunate and well-known fact that overheated or scratched non-stick pans coated by PFOA or PFDE, commercially known as Teflon, are toxic.
Why people buying organic food, fresh food, really good food, and putting onto non-stick pans? What for? To put healthy food onto poison.
We've created this stone pan with a little modern twist so that it can be used anywhere and everywhere, from induction heaters to straight on the dining table. Food does not dry out on our stone pans, which are specially created to lock in all the healthy juices your meal contains. Our cooking stone comes in 4 different sizes, so that we're sure to meet everyone's needs. Inspired by Mediterranean cooking and the Mediterranean lifestyle, we believe that everyone could stand to gain by taking the time to de-stress, slow down, and truly enjoy a home-cooked meal. So, whether it's every day or just once a week, Piedra Cocinar invites you to do just that, by helping you to cook something truly special and keeping it warm for a long time. We wanted to make one of the oldest and healthiest cooking techniques, stone cooking, accessible to everyone.
At the moment, it involves quite a lot of handwork. Some fish jobs needs to be pasta machinery to CNC machinery. Otherwise, it's going to stay as a luxury item for rich. And I want everybody to be able to afford to get it, to cook on it, to eat from it, and to say, yeah, I love eating from Piedra Cocinar stone.
Make every meal a celebration for your friends and family with Piedra Cocinar.